Alrighty, everybody. This is the start to the journey to the Ridge. Haha. So I am headed to meet the transport guy who's gonna be trucking our bikes to Washington from California, and we are at the meeting location. So we're supposed to meet at Harley Davidson. Cool, so team 1 is gathering, my buddy's here. All right, we just unloaded and bikes are getting loaded onto this, and it's gonna get transferred over to the bigger rig. So here's my bike, John's bike, or no, Matt's bike, John's bike. Here's Randy. Hey Randy, tell me about your business.
So I tow motorcycles back and forth to the racetrack. So we have the ability to tow about 28 bikes at a time.
28.
And
Wow.
we host a super pit where we provide all the equipment, the tire warmers, the stand, the generator, all the things that you would need to lug around, we kind of take care of. We also cook lunch, and nobody eats our barbecue.
Randy's the man. Randy's the man to hit him up,
Right
man, for
on,
your
man.
track service.
I appreciate
Damn right.
that, brother.
Of course, man. Everything. Congregating
Will they limit the song?
at a Harley dealership. Alrighty, all the bikes are loaded and we're ready for the Ridge. Leaving in a couple days. Cool. Thanks, Harley. You guys are the best. Now you're in camera. Sean
What?
too.
Who makes that?
Me.
No.
No. Insta 360.
Starts blinking? Yeah. Okay.
Is it blinking white? Yeah. Now it's
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world.
yeah. And it's nice because I could just slap it on like this and be like, yeah, it's just normal.
And it has
Yeah, it has stabilization. Yeah.
Nice. We got music.
There you go, Leela.
It's your
I put on some, I don't know what it is, but it's on.
your drift music, Washington style.
Wow.
Let's go, Kevin. I get everybody in the camera. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you recording? Yeah. Oh, I was like, that's why I asked.
Merry Christmas.
Oh.
The rescue from Mexico.
Oh. Dude, I almost cried, man. The way you said it. Oh, man. Wait, so do we grab a garage or no?
Late night, man? Alright? We're ready, Mike. Time to actually get some up.
literally across from the garage. This is gonna be perfect.
Right, but which one's our garage?
Jaime.
Told you it was gonna come behind me.
So what do we do? Because we rented 2 of these and
Very like you, huh?
everyone's full. So obviously we have to kick people out that didn't.
Oh, here. Morning.
Morning. How you doing?
Doing good.
There you go.
Thank you. What is up? You made it. I'm glad you made it in one piece, brother. How was it?
It was long.
Yeah?
It was a long drive.
Tiring, huh? So what was it, like 17 hours?
For us, yeah, it took 17.
We did Pike's Place yesterday, just for like
No,
quick,
I wanna go.
quick like lunch break.
I'm gonna go. It was good.
It was alright. That was decent. I think we have a barbecue place tonight that Chris booked.
Ooh.
Yeah, no, that should be good.
Nice.
Yeah. Alright, man.
How you doing today?
I'm doing great.
Yeah. Welcome to Track Time. Have you ridden with us before?
No, first time.
Have you ridden this track before?
No, from California.
What chalk do you have?
Oh, the tire imprint?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's one of the transport guys. Is it bad? Oh. What did he do?
That's just a weird. You can't say that doesn't go into the chalk all the way.
That'll clean up. You're fine.
Is it just gummed up?
You're fine.
Okay.
If my head of WIMRA tech staff says it's fine, it's fine.
Okay.
There's going to be a writers meeting at 8:50. You're going to go to the advanced one.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
First, start out as a conglomerate, and then if you say advanced intermediate, you go obviously go to the advanced.
Got it.
Okay, baby.
Am I good to go?
Yes, you are.
Awesome. Thank you.
Have an amazing day.
Yeah, thank you. Alrighty, done with day 1. Such a fun track. It's an amazing track, to be honest. Can't wait to ride tomorrow. Yeah, this track is amazing. Can't say enough. But yeah, we're good. All in one piece. Nice and safe and sound. Hey, wait, did you leave?
Yeah, I jumped in.
Oh, okay, so you left with Chris, right?
Yeah, I just.
Okay. No, it's all good. I was looking for you, that's why. But it's all good. I'll so back to the hotel, right?
Yeah.
All right. See you there.
Yeah, I'll see you, buddy.
Alright.
Okay, bye.
Alright, time to go back to the hotel, take a shower, and eat some yummy wummy dinner. Yeah! Alright, we back for round 2.
Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, and I'm on me. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, and I'm on me. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, and I'm on me. Ball singing low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always after Guala, yeah, and you are not badass bleep. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bad number, drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a thotty that's a nose. Never ever fall for a thotty that's a nose. Never ever fall for a thotty that's a bringing the peace. I'm bumping that park in the car, pretending I got all the eyes on me. Got a bad baby and she's independent. Too many people older than me, they're seeking attention. When they want me by the goofies, man, I should've listened. And the smell of the money, my strangest addiction. She tit for dick, I let her lit, I had to dip. I'm on for fifth, I'm all rich now. I bought a whip, I paint, it drive itself. The fuck you think? Yeah, I'm rich now. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma hey, little mama, yeah. I've been in the club and taking shots. If you got your mask off in the photo, you getting crap. Hopping out the function. The CBS is like a block away. But the moisturizer, my ice cold is dry on my face. Don't need that VVS, my ice is fake. Your life is fake. I choose to do it for my pocket's sake. You're basing your opinion on what the major says. I renovate the bad energy I erase. Yeah, I don't really ever wanna top. Only really ever wanna top. Guess I'm going back to the side. At least this money never really stop. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma hey, little mama, yeah. Ball singing low while I pop a bottle off of ya. Chain swinging, clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always after Guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bad dumper, drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a thotty, that's a nose. Never ever fall for a thotty, that's a nose. Never ever fall for a thotty, that's a nose. Never ever fall for a thotty, that's a nose.
How's the ridge? How's the ridge, Chris?
The ridge was 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Jay? 1
Fantastic.
thumb. Fantastic. For sure. Alrighty. Time to head home. There's Greg and Mike loading 2 bikes. Cool. We're done with the ridge. Wrapping it up. Pretty beat. Rode for 2 days. It was fun. It was a fun session. Fun 2 days. Now time to go home, I guess.
Alrighty, I am finally back from Seattle in Orange County. The time is 11 o'clock, I think. The ridge was amazing as well, just as good as Laguna Seca, I want to say. In terms of the track like favorite list, we're talking about it with friends. I think my number 1 is still gonna be Laguna Seca, and then the second one is the ridge. The third is Spring Mountain. And then the rest are all the same shit. Anywho, if you enjoyed the content, let me get that like and sub. I'm tired. I'm gonna go home. Bye.